Impalas in a line, shining chrome for gleam, revving up their dreams in the city's gleam. Gasoline flows through an engine's prime. They roar and hum. Rubber burns as they take their claim. Each a masterpiece, their engine strum. Down the boulevard, they're rolling deep. Tailfins cutting through the warm night air. Hear those engines purr, it's quite a scene. Oh, cruise back, cruise back, cruise back to those golden days, yeah. Laughter fills the car, hands tapping beats. Streetlights casting an orange dream, bouncing to the rhythm of the street. Yeah, we glide on Whittier's endless wave all night. Lowriders hopping, setting the night ablaze. Visions of yesterday in the modern gaze. The boulevards alive with the echoes of the past. Oldies blend with bass lines, a symphony that's meant to last. Greased back hair, slick hair, leather jackets with that flair. Two-tone shoes tap the beat of hearts. In the rear view, fresh love starts.